So you have just deleted all your text messages on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So now you want to recover deleted messages? Don't worry, here are 2 quick and easy ways to get them back. So first you have to open up your Messages app, tap the filter icon, and now go to recently deleted option. So if you are here within 40 days and you didn't delete them permanently, you will must see all your deleted messages here. So just select the ones you want to restore, tap recover all and confirm. Now go back to your main messages list. Your recovered text should now appear here. But if you don't see them here, and now there have another way to recover your messages, try the iCloud backup method. So go to settings, tap on your name, then iCloud, then make sure messages in iCloud is toggled on. Now check under keep messages that is set to forever. And now hit sync now. Once syncing finishes, your deleted messages should reappear in the Messages app. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.